In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your screen mockups using Artboard Studio Mockups on Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right tools inside Figma and start showcasing your designs in clean, realistic mockups without leaving your workspace. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open your page or file that contains the design you want to present. It helps to have the specific frame or screen you want to mock up clearly labeled so you can find it quickly and avoid confusion later. Next, look for the Actions search field at the top of Figma. This is the quick way to find commands without digging through menus. Click into Actions and you'll see a place to search for features and tools. This is where we'll access the plugin you need. Inside Actions, head to the Plugin section. Plugins expand Figma's capabilities, and this is where Artboard Studio Mockups lives. In the search bar, enter the word Artboard. You should see Artboard Studio Mockups in the results. When you find it, click Artboard Mockups to select it, then click Run. This will open the plugin panel on the side of your canvas. From here, simply utilize the plugin and play around with the mockups available. You'll typically see categories for devices and scenes like phones, tablets, laptops, or branding sets. Browse through the options and pick a style that matches the tone of your project. If you've already selected a frame on your canvas, many mockups will use that selection by default, which keeps things smooth and predictable. Once the mockup loads, look for simple controls to swap the screen content, adjust angles, or change backgrounds. The goal is to make your design look natural inside the chosen device. If your layout looks stretched, double-check that your frame size matches the device proportions offered by the mockup. Small tweaks like centering your content or adjusting padding can make a big difference. Feel free to experiment. Try a few different mockups to see which one best tells your story. Keep an eye on lighting, perspective, and color so your design remains clear and readable. When you're happy with the result, you can continue working on your Figma page, reuse the mockup for other screens, or duplicate it to explore variations. That's it. You've opened Figma, accessed Actions, launched the plugin, and explored Artboard Studio Mockups to present your work beautifully.